Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get bouncy blocks and build a boat. The only reliable method involves completing a specific in-game challenge. These unique blocks offer incredible versatility for your creations, allowing for dynamic movement and innovative designs. Understanding their acquisition is key to unlocking new building possibilities and enhancing your gameplay experience. Let's dive into the details. To acquire bouncy blocks, you must successfully complete the game's main treasure hunt quest line. This journey culminates in a challenging boss battle at the very end of the map. Upon defeating this formidable foe, the bouncy block is awarded as a guaranteed prize. There are no other methods to obtain this specific block, making the treasure hunt essential for your collection. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Build-A-Boat content. On another note, if you enjoy exploring new worlds and stories, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, just like you can build anywhere in Build-A-Boat. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have your bouncy blocks, the real fun begins. Strategically place them in your builds to create incredible propulsion systems or dynamic suspension. Combining bouncy blocks with other materials can lead to complex and highly effective mechanisms. Don't be afraid to experiment with various placements and configurations to discover unique effects and truly master their potential in your boat designs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.